Yeah. So I was like, my name is Jonathan, and I'm based in Uganda, Changwa Refugee Settlement.
Okay.
Yeah, and basically, me, I'm trying to see how best we can support these kids. Like this one, like, because we know we have very many kids who are suffering in Changwali or in other parts of Uganda.
Okay.
Led them to do some stupid thing that can even lead them to death or life imprisonment. So me, I try to bring up some things, at least to keep them busy, and at least if they get skills, they can at least, get something by themselves. Yeah, so that's why I brought up that TEBI talks, at least to supporting them. So I'm going to basically share the screen. I'm so open whatever Excel.
Good.
Okay.
Sorry, we'll be talking and I'll be eating here.
It's okay.
Okay.
Hope you can see my screen, eh?
Yeah.
Yep. So basically, once you open the Excel sheet, like the way the dashboard always displays, and when you come, let me try to zoom in. Once you try to see here where there is the word Excel, there are recent documents. Like maybe the documents have opened before, or the documents try to create. And here, these are like the formats or already made templates that maybe in case you want to do seasonal photo calendar, you can just maybe come and select this one and then you just edit. Or if you want to do the academic calendar, you just come and edit. So for us, we are going to use this one, the blank workbook. We're going to use for a yeah. So you just open it. I think you told me that you know a bit like somewhat of a skills, huh? Yeah, so you know that once you click on file, you're going to maybe to create a new form, to open either already saved form, you want to save, you want to print, you want to share. You already know that.
Yeah.
We have this interface here whereby we have tabs, and tabs, I mean, like once you click on home, the home is a tab, insert is a tab, page layout is a tab, formulas is a tab, data.
Yeah, I see all of those tabs.
You see them. And then in the under like tabs, we have also what we call groups. So you can see like all of this part where there is paste, cut, and copy, that is group. That's the group. And then once you come like where there are font sizes, fonts, colors, and whatever, font names, that's also another group. And then when it's also come to format tables, it's also another group. And then our main focus is always on this sheet. This called an Excel sheet. Yeah. So we have like laws and columns. And then what do we mean by a law? You see where there are numbers like number 1, number 2, number 3?
Yeah.
These ones. They are called laws.
Sure.
And then where A, B, C, these are called
those are columns.
Yes. And then you have like this box here where like maybe C meets with 1. You see? Like here. This one you can call a cell.
Sure.
Yep. So let's assume
so
that
we have the cell 1C, right?
Now this is cell 1C.
C1, 1C, yeah.
C1. This is C1.
Yeah.
So basically in Excel, we are always like, we prefer using like tables because it has lots of formulas, and then we prefer using tables at least to make our work organized. For example, we may be having like, we may be wanting to type maybe a school attendance list, maybe for students, whereby they're going to type the name of the student, you put maybe the code number, you put the age, you put the marks. So you can't just do it. We just put without what? Without putting the tables. So first of all, you can just maybe organize your work. You say maybe name.
Yeah.
Name. Then maybe we have age. Then we have maybe max. Let's make it easy. So, okay, we want to put here another box like on A1. We want to put another box where we're going to put maybe a number like number 1, number 2, number 3. Because once you leave it like this, remember these ones will not be displayed on your sheet.
It won't.
Yeah, so how do we add a because we have already written this one? How are we going to add another column there? What you're going to do, just come where there is A. You think?
Yeah.
So once you reach there, just right-click your mouse. And then once you right-click it, you're going to come on Insert. Seeing that, you just click Insert. Once you click Insert, at least you have seen we've already got a new column.
Sure.
Even if maybe it is here in the middle, you forgot maybe to add up something, you can come maybe here at the edge, you right-click your mouse, then you can also add another column there. So we also have another column here. So here I'm going to say maybe serial number, and then this is going to be maybe 1 up to the number of students. So how are we going to make it like 1, 2, 3, 4 without typing everything? Just come here like this, then come at the end of this box here. You seeing this?
Put it down.
Yeah, you're going to it has to first be black.
Don't touch anything.
Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, it needs to be black. So you just come here and then just drag like this.
Sure.
Now you've seen they are all ones.
All ones, yeah.
We're going to change them to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? So what you're going to do, just come where there is like the end. Let me try to put it up. So you're seeing where there is this end here.
Yeah, sure.
That box there. So just click on it. And then once you click on it, there is copy cells, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, and then flash fill. So what we're going to do, come and fill series. Yeah, so you just click there and everything will be renamed.
Sure.
Oh, that is number 1 up to number 11. So we're going to say maybe the first name is James, Miriam, Melon, Miriam, maybe Bahati, James.
We have James.
Yeah, this is James.
John, maybe.
Okay, John. Then maybe Sylvia. Okay, we can stop from there. It does not make it all. So here, this C, we're going to delete it because I may not need it. So deleting it to do the same thing the way you inserted it. You just come and then right-click your mouse. Once you right-click, you just come to delete.
Delete.
Yeah, so you'll delete it automatically. In case you want to redo, you just Control Z, it will come back. Shortcuts. If you want to go back, still Control Z. So that's how we do it. So we come to age, maybe this is 12, this is 30, this is 22, okay, 22. Maybe this is 15. This is maybe 19, 18, and then 23. So max, we are going to say maybe James got 50. This one got 30, 39. This one 90, 80. This one 26. This one 90. Then this one maybe 65. So you're seeing our one organized.
Yeah.
Hope you can see this. It's not organized. So how are we going to organize it? Okay, so we're going to organize it in a way that at least we are going to create a table so that everything can look neat and well organized. However, once still you confirm with our work, this work is not like it doesn't show anything because it has no header, it has nothing. Like in case maybe the school has a logo, it has to be having a logo of the school, at least to be official. So what we're going to do still, let's come back on this first law. We put a header, like kind of create some space to put a header. But remember now we have no space, so we may end up deleting everything and we start afresh. But that's unnecessary. You just bring your cursor on the first letter, and then still
create
do the
insert.
way we did. Yeah, then you do insert. You can it depends on how many laws you want. Yeah. So here you can easily add anything you want. So let me say that maybe I want to write maybe Changwali SS students marks 2023. So once I say like this, still it looks not neat. So let me try to organize it. Maybe I'm going to, of course, you know how they do magic. You know magic. So
yeah, I know.
Let me try to first do them. I first do this in a table. I first put it in a table. So you'll just highlight everything you want to put in a table. You highlight.
Okay.
So I'm going to highlight everything up to here.
Then insert a table.
Then I come to insert. I put my table. So on this, I think to make it will take away my headers. So let me just start from here. So once you do it like this, just come and do insert, and then they will show you that my table has headers.
Yeah.
So if you want, you can confirm, or if you don't want, you can untick the box. So once I click confirm, I think you've seen what has happened.
Okay.
Yeah, but how are you going to control this? You can easily come and maybe start from here, then come to insert a table, and then my table has headers. You just click like that. And then the other column 1, column 2, like the way it was first, they will disappear. Otherwise, your headers will be named. So this is how basically we have got our table. But now, remember, we also have this Changwali. It was also supposed to be on a table, but we left it behind. So we can say maybe from here up to here, we create that space, then we come to merge and center. So once you come to merge and center, you can easily come and say, you merge it like that. So you've killed the other cells that have been in the middle there. So that once you bring your word, you can just insert it in the middle there. Sorry. Hope you can see it. So it is just in the middle of A and D at once. But
sure.
You can also put it in a table, so at least it is only one table. So this is what that we have created. Another way of creating a table without like going into insert or to do what, you can just come like this. You highlight your space. Then you see when you come to home. When you come to home, it is this small box here. After the underline part, there is this small box. So you can just click on this arrow. Then you come to all borders. Once you click all borders, you can just click there and the table will be automatically made.
Okay.
You've seen that. Yeah. So after knowing that, maybe we can try to go to maybe some formulas. We want to see maybe what is the total, how can we maybe make the charts, how can we make the pie charts, of these students who had the highest number, who had the smallest number, those things. Because when it comes to math, you have the mean, we have the modes, we have the what, everything is there. So what we are going to do, maybe let's first see the total number. So you can easily come here and say total. Once you say total, so total means like addition. It is sum of all the numbers. So maybe we want to see how many marks did all these guys perform, like the whole class. What was the total marks for all of them? So what we're going to do, just place equal signs. Once you place equal signs, just come and say, write the word sum. Hope you have seen it. Then they'll bring you down here. Once they bring you up, come and just double click it. So once you double click it, open up a bracket, and then down it, you say sum, then number 1. So number 1, you may say it is 50. Then you can put a comma, you say maybe plus 39. Then you can put a comma, you say 80, or you can put a comma, you say 20. So this one will take a long time. Like it will take you a lot of time. So what I'm going to do, you just come and highlight that 50, like on row 1. After highlighting it, place your control, and then scroll down the whatever, the cursor until your last digit you want to add. Hope you can see that. So it is showing me that it is from D5 up to
D10.
D10. So you can close D10 here. You can close that. After that, you just press enter. Once you press enter, you'll be able to.
Like they do the math for you.
Yes.
Good.
So after getting the marks, you may also say that maybe I want to see the highest number, someone who got the highest number, and maybe we want the difference, to know the difference. So difference is like a minus. We also have a way we can do it, difference. So here you can easily get a highest number, then you subtract the smallest number. You can just use it maybe manually. So you just say equal signs, because you know every formula in Excel, it starts with
D5, D7,
so this
D9.
Highest minus lowest, this is a D9.
D9.
Subtract, you subtract a D8. Then just 8. Then you get the answer. So the only difference is 64. So once you get the 64, remember we also have like some other thing that may end up helping you, like once you're designing your sheets. We also have this small part here, the sort by, and then the find, the fill, the clear. Also this one you can easily use it maybe when you want to clear your data, and in case you're doing some data cleaning, it may also help. Like the filtering part, it helps a lot. So let's assume that maybe I want to sort this data from A to Z. Okay? Just come, maybe you select, I want to select B. And then once you select B, you just come and say A to Z. Once you say A to Z, this is Z to A. Once you say A to Z, it will arrange the names like in alphabetical order. If you want maybe to start descending part, you just say it will start now from up as it is going down. Also have very many things. So once I say maybe filter, once I say filter, you'll be able to see, you know, after marks, there's this kind of thing, like there's that color arrow that is sloping down. That means that your things can easily be filtered. So what do you mean by filtering? I may come and I say maybe I have my data I have my data, but it is having like maybe the same names or the same month. Let me just add something small here. Let me add Miriam. Miriam has maybe 30, and okay, let me say 40. Then James has 35, then Max 50, and then this one, okay, 60. So once I say like this, let's assume that maybe I'm coming to filter. Once I come to names and I say filter, they will bring you the list of names. So you may find that maybe you have a class of more than almost like 1,000 students. But now you want just to select maybe some different students. So you just come, this is like the total number of my students. So I may only come and select, I unselect some. So once I select some and then I press OK, I'll only get the data of the people that I've selected. You understand? Once you want to bring them back, you just come and then you select all.
Yeah.
Once you select all and press OK, they'll easily come back.
Everyone will come back.
Yes. Once you go to max and you say, maybe I don't want to see 90, I don't want to see 65, I don't want to see 40, 26, and then you press OK, they'll automatically disappear.
And those will disappear.
Yes. So let me bring them back. So another thing, maybe you may be having 1,000 datas, and you only want to get maybe a specific person from that data. How are we going to do this? You just come to find and select. You click there. Once you click there, you come to find. So you click on find, and then they will bring you like a texting box. And then you say that maybe I want to only want to see James.
Yeah.
So you'll just type the name James, and then you say find all. Once you say find all, they'll bring you like where James is, like the rows where James is. So let's assume that maybe I've clicked on this one. You'll be able here, he's already highlighted. Hope you're seeing this. Then when I go to another sheet, they will select on row 10. Because here they will bring you the book, the sheet, the name.
Yeah. So we have 4 gems, 3 gems.
Yeah, so we have 3 gems around the sheet. So let's assume that maybe I want to replace gems. So I'll just come to replace, and then I say I want to replace with Sifa. So once I say Sifa, I'll say replace all, and where they have been gems, it has been automatically
they become Sifa
by Sifa. So this one helps you, like maybe in the case you're doing some data cleaning, it will help you a lot to filter some names, clean up some stuff you're doing.
Okay. Can you add some columns here on this? So add the other one that you were saying about, like the barcode for each, then give a barcode for each student here. The same sheet.
On the same sheet?
Yeah, can you do that?
Yeah, sure. Yes, that okay. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I first susu.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, balls. So like in the case you want maybe to add some codes for these kids, first of all, we shall have to also add on our table.
Okay.
Maybe I'll say code. Then we shall take the first letter.
Okay.
And this is Miriam. Miriam. Sifa, John. Sifa. Sifa then Bahati. So this is the code. So like on the code, you can just get any code you want. Maybe this is Miriam, that's her first letter. Then I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then maybe XP. So the same thing will apply to
everyone.
To her, no, to her. This is for only Miriam, eh? Okay. So this one, we say maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, 6. Then maybe MX. You have another melon here. So this is Sifa. We say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. I mean 7. Then ZU. We have very many Sifas around, so we just come and copy. This is Sifa. This is Sifa. So Bahati, we shall just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And then GP. Then John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean 5, 9. Then JP. So these are their codes.
Okay.
Like to get the, maybe let's call this one a formula. Formula. So a formula, as I said, here it's where you should you should focus. So in a formula, first of all, you have to start with equal signs. Then here we shall open like brackets. So the brackets, you just control, then hope you can see those ones. Eh?
Yeah.
Then you put the open bracket, that one. Then you close. After when you've closed, you're going to come and put the, can I call it a dollar sign? So I think it's an and sign. Yeah, that's not a dollar sign. So once you reach there, you're going to come and just click on the code. You've seen that. So for it to automatically create that bracket, add, then that one. Then after that one, will be closed here. So what you're going to do, still come and put the same and formula, and then put the quotation, then close your bracket, and then close it again here. You've seen that?
Yeah.
Once you click enter, hope you'll be able to see this.
Yeah, sure.
Has it worked on your side?
Yeah.
Good. So you can expand your column so that they can fit.
Sure.
So after that, what we're going to do, just come again and maybe add another column of maybe then barcode. Barcode. So once you click barcode, have you already downloaded the ID automation?
Yeah, I have that. Yeah.
Okay, so for the ID automation, you just come and you can just copy these ones.
Okay.
Then you put it now in that bar part.
Okay.
So once you reach there, you just come and click at any. Once you click at any, then you come to your phone, to your font name, and then you look for ID automation. So ID automation, I have it here. So you just click on it, and then it will automatically be generated. So once it is generated, remember that is for part 1. You can easily come and scroll down until the end, and everything will be generated. Hope you can see this. So each child will be having his or her be like the barcode. So in case maybe you're having like products, maybe you're dealing in a supermarket, and then you'll have like different products, maybe bread, whatever. You can just create each barcode.
Then if I scan that barcode, what it should bring me to just give me the code, right?
Okay, once it brings like once you scan it, it will like give you this code. But I think tomorrow, because I'm seeing time is going, tomorrow when we come back, at least I'll like, because we have to first get the information of different different products. You understand?
Yeah.
Like bread, if I say bread, what specifications are on this bread? So after getting the specification of bread, we shall add them now into this formula code, like into this code.
Yeah.
So once we mix them there, then once you create the barcode, it will automatically like take you like, it will give you all the specifications of this bread. So that's why like you see in supermarkets, whenever you go to buy something, they just put the scanner on the whatever on the bread, it automatically calculates the money automatically, and then it specifies the commodity you've taken. That's the technology they use there. But that one is also some small topic. I think we shall work on it tomorrow. Because now in Uganda, 1:34, it is coming to 2 a.m.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we shall discuss more tomorrow.
Yeah, it's too late there, I know.
Yeah, but of course, when you scan this code, it will bring you like this whatever, this code here. You see it? Yeah. Another thing, you can, well, let's assume that maybe we have changed like one digit here. Let's maybe add a 0 here. I want to see what will happen on the code. I think you've seen a 0 has been added here.
Yeah, something just add up.
Yeah, once I add maybe here a 666, I mean 88. Once I click, it will automatically come and be added
add
here.
up.
Yes. So I beg to stop from here.